How to log in into TaxJar account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into your TaxJar account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the TaxJar login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website that says TaxJar. After that, wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now on this page, at the upper right side, here you will see 3 dash line. Click on it. Here you will see different options on your screen. Click on the login option. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page where you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. Simply enter your personal details like email address and password and tap on login to TaxJar option. In case you are a new user, there is the option of create account on the top right side. Click on it. And if you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on forget password option beside the password. So that's all in this very simple and easy way you can log in into your TaxJar account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.